past 2 weeks, the nation has been in mourning of the lost hip-hop icon and West Coast rapper Nipsey Hussle. Nipsey was murdered March 31st. We broke the story. The Crenshaw rapper was gunned down last week in the Hyde Park neighborhood of Los Angeles. Nipsey was rushed to the hospital, and his family and celebrity friends showed up shortly after he arrived. Nipsey's death certificate lists his occupation as an artist and entrepreneur. It says he was never married at the time of his death and worked in the entertainment and real estate industries. Nipsey was pronounced dead at 3:55 p.m. from TMZ to show the surveillance. Nipsey was shot in plain view of surveillance camera, and footage shows the shooter, who caught Eric Holder, opening fire 3 different times on Nipsey before kicking his body and fleeing the scene. 2 other people were shot, but survived. I got a feel to see what others on campus felt about this issue.
I feel like Nipsey Hussle's death affected hip-hop in a positive way because now gang members are now coming together. Usually back in time, gang members didn't really come together like that. Crips and Bloods weren't really related like that, but now they're actually coming together and they're trying to unite and make the world a better place.
As a hip-hop star, to make sure that you do more for the black people didn't just provide music, and I think that's what Nipsey is going to be remembered by, and I think that's what his death is doing, a plague now of rappers realizing that they have a bigger responsibility here in this world. Quite frankly, with black on black crime, I think is like really bad. I think it's terrible and it's real sad, you know. Coming from the hood, as myself from Syracuse, New York, it's real bad out there, man. I lost a couple of people I grew up with, the black on black crime. And I think that's one of the big things that's hindering us as a people. Like, once we stop killing each other, it will reflect that with police brutality and other stuff, and people have more respect from us.
Black on black crime is holding us back as a community, and really, we can't really do nothing about it because it's like white people is making us seem like we're bad people, and as more crime rates that we get, more killings that we get, the more bad we look.
And now it is up to us to carry on the legacy that Nipsey Hussle has left for us. The marathon still continues. This is Jordan Carter from JLMC 206.